Hi, in this video, we will compare Mangools and Screaming Frog. Mangools is a set of easy-to-use search engine optimization tools for freelancers, bloggers, affiliate marketers, small to medium enterprises, SEO and marketing agencies. Its key features, like keyword research, competitor analysis, SERP analysis, and others, help extract key data from all tools. Keyword Finder is the primary Mangools tool and the most used. It provides metrics on rankings, search volume, CPC, PPC, keyword difficulty, and more. The Search Engine Results Page Checker tool shows the results that a searcher will see for a particular keyword. Also, it examines how you would rank for the same keyword suggestions. Search Engine Results Page Watcher is a Mangools rank tracking tool. It monitors your search engine results page ranking for the given keywords. This tool provides information on your rank, how the keyword is trending, estimated traffic, search volume, and other performance indexes. Mangools Link Miner tool allows for backlink analysis of your page and your competitors and identification of link building opportunities. It provides site profiler backlink results, pointing to the domain or URL that you enter. Site Profiler provides an SEO profile of a website based on its popularity on Facebook and backlink strength. It offers extra insight, such as the top content of a competitor's website, which can help generate ideas for your site. Mangools offers a free plan forever, and paid plans start at $19 per month. On the other hand, the Screaming Frog SEO Spider is a fast and advanced SEO site audit tool. It can be used to crawl both small and large websites. Search engine marketing encompasses a range of activities centered around making your website more visible in search engines. Screaming Frog has an SEO agency that runs remarkably successful SEO campaigns in the most competitive sectors using a unique blend of technical and creative expertise. In a pay-per-click management agency, you have full control over who sees your ads, and as you usually pay per click or impression, you only get charged for the traffic you want on your website. Screaming Frog's paid social media management is designed to keep you in total control of your messages across various social media networks. Unlike traditional search, it is based on understanding your own unique business challenges and campaign objectives. A content marketing agency can help you reach your audience and get them talking about your brand online with creative content and promotion. Also, get your brand seen, earn coverage and links, and improve organic visibility with digital PR. The Screaming Frog SEO Spider is free. However, you can purchase a license to crawl more than 500 URLs and have access to advanced features. Licenses are per user and start at $259 per user per year. If you want to use both Mangools and Screaming Frog for free, then click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching our video.